So hi everyone, let's unbox this BOULT wireless earbuds. The model name is TORQ. So this comes in such a packing. You can see the design and everything, the official product license and other things. You see the boxing comes in similar way to the Derby and the Dash. So let's unbox it. Open such a packing. You see this is the earbuds. Let's open this. This is welcome to the exclusive Mustang Owners Club. Let's start on your journey. So let's open this and see what is inside. You get some paperwork. Just put this aside. You get a USB-C type cable, then some stickers stating the collaboration between the Mustang and the BOULT company. Some extra earbuds, some collaboration paper. This is the instruction manual, and this is the card to get extra 3 months of warranty. So coming to the earbuds, so it looks like this. It has two Type-C charging ports, and with the Mustang logo here and the Mustang written here. Open it open. You can see the light glowing here. Let me show you again. And low light. When you open this, see a light glowing and Mustang gets illuminated. Here are in this way. Comes in such a packing. It's totally different from the Derby and the Dash model. I got this from Amazon for about 1,799, which is 200 rupees lesser than the original price. So please do like. I'll be sharing the links in the description box below.